checks, nah. Should've said grown queen, baby face, but my body looking like I'm 23. Niggas mad cause they ain't never tapped, bitch. The same one get tapped with a gat. Keep it concealed, just like my feelings. Fuck boy, gonna hear me try to play a youngin', but it ain't nothing, still stuntin'. Try to find another boy, you buggin'. Know how to play the game, have you looking like a lame after you give me brain and I clear it. Nice little red bone, have you in your feelings. Growing up, no one gave a fuck, but I always was a buck, nigga was a dub. If it don't got shit to do with my business, I ain't trying to hear it. God raised me to feel it in my spirit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarabi and I'm back with another video. I said hello, good morning. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, click that subscribe button. It only takes 1 second. I really appreciate it, and you guys can be tuned every single time I post a new video. So today what I'm going to be doing is a little bit different on my channel. I'm going to take you guys with me to go to Walmart. I'm going to go and buy some cake supplies, decorate a cake that I have, and then I'm going to take you guys with me through the process of me decorating a cake that I've already baked. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and give me any baking tips that you guys may have for me. Alright, so guys, I finally have made it. Alright, now we go to the baking section. Some flour, because I need flour. Make sure it's not open. That would suck, it'll go everywhere. So, flour. All-purpose flour is like the best one. Then I need sugar, which, oh, here's baking soda. Because the baking soda I need two. The baking soda, only 82 cents. And then sugar is down here. And here we have sugar. We have it for 80. I should get the big sugar because I use a lot of sugar anyways. I'm gonna go with the smaller one to be safe. I would get the big one, but I know flour is not no bad and I can keep using that. The sugar, if I get that much sugar, I don't need that much sugar. I really just need this much. You only want to get what you need, guys. So this flour, sugar, I need eggs, butter, which isn't in this aisle. And I need confection sugar, which I'm looking for, because, oh, it's right here. So I need the confectionery sugar, because that's going to help me make my buttercream. But I'm going to go with this one. It doesn't really make a difference in taste. They both taste good. So this is how many? 2 pounds? This is perfect. That's how much I need. And then I'm going to go get eggs. So we're going to go get eggs. And, all right. So, get some eggs. Which I just saw a deal over there. It was 36 eggs, or 18 large. I seen online too. They had 12. This one is 110. I only need 4 eggs, so 12, that's fine. 12, 8, 16, that makes 3 cakes. So, eggs. That one's 107, and that one is the same thing. This is extra large. Those are medium. I'm gonna use large. And then I need butter, which we're just gonna keep going down. Use unsalted butter if you can find it for your buttercream. Just tastes better. You can add flavoring in it too. So now I just need to find. Okay, so the unsalted butter is a little bit more expensive. It's $4.56, and this is Land O'Lakes butter. Now, I usually am able to find like butter like this, and this one is salted though, and this is great value. But I guess this is great value unsalted butter. I think they're restocking because I don't see the one I usually get, which is saddening to me. But
I'm trying to search to find unsalted, because if I get a big tub, it's better. I usually have a BJ's card and I go to BJ's to get my stuff, but I have to renew my membership with them. Blue Bonnet is good too. I like theirs. Okay, this is the one I like to use, Country Crocs. This one is a really good butter. This is kind of probably, out of all of them, either it's between Blue Bonnet and Country Crock butter is really good as for unsalted. And I think you only need 4 sticks out of 2. It's only $1.98, which isn't that much. So get out of that and see where it goes with that. So yeah, that's what you want to get. I know how I said earlier that I wasn't going to get the big one of the sugar. This is $1.98. $1.98 and $1.98 is like 3 something approximately, if my math is right. $1.98 and $1.98 is 3 something. So it's a difference of 82 cents because this is $4.80. So I'm just going to get the bigger bag of the sugar because it just logically makes more sense. Then I came back to get more of the confectionery sugar because the confectionery sugar I can make the buttercream, and the buttercream won't go bad if I make it as long as it's refrigerated. So let's get this in my cart. This is what I have. I have 4 butters, eggs, baking soda, all-purpose flour, 2 sugars, and then a regular granulated sugar because I could do a lot of things with this. So now we're gonna put this in my cart and I'm gonna go check out so we can get in the kitchen and we can start cooking. So let's go, guys. If you're a roll baker, this is anybody's favorite spot in Walmart. So they have all the Wilton stuff in this section and it's great because it's not that much as opposed to going to a cake store. If you order online, their prices are really good. These are gel food colorings, they're really good. Or you can go and you can get the packs. It's like $13 for this one, but I am specifically looking for tips because I need to find a tip that I can use, which is right up here, which is perfect. Oh no, these are bags. I need the actual silver part, which is the piping tips, what are right in front of my face, and they have them right here, which is awesome. I need a 1 meter star tip because I'll be able to pipe really good. And then they have this one where I can get 3 for $3, and it's a star tip, a wide star tip, a round tip, and a flower tip, which is great, which I'm probably gonna go with this instead because this would be better for me. This is the same price and you get 4 tips. I guess it's the difference in size. Oh, you get different tips because this is more intricate, I guess, for the border, and this would be more for rosettes and stuff. I'm gonna go with the 3 big tips because if I were to do the math, which is always good to do math while you're doing this, if you aren't already subscribed or following my Instagram, Kayla's Cooking, just go and see that. So the math part of it, so let's do 127. It's 127 120 381, right? If you were to buy 3 for 127 each, I get this for $3, so I'm saving money. It's always good to save money at Walmart, you know. Yeah, girl. All right, always trying to help y'all out.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite baker. It's Robbie, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a 10-inch cake that is 2 layers and stacked. I dirty iced it, and we're just going to go and decorate. I'm going to put rosettes around the cake, show you guys how I fill my piping bag, and how I decorate the cake and box my cakes for deliveries. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But before we do that, I want you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, like it, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also, I have Kayla's Cooking, which I'll insert a picture over here or the tag to it, and you guys can follow me on there to see all my delicious desserts before you see the YouTube video. So let's get right into the video.
Round 1, fight!
Okay guys, so this was my practice cake round, and it was a little bit harder because of the fact that I had to use a pan instead of a turntable. You gotta work with what you got. So I'm going around and I'm going from right to left, and I'm trying to make it work. I think I was going from left to right. I'm not really sure. When I did this and filmed this, I was just practicing because I wanted to make sure that it was perfect when I did the larger cake. So I'm gonna play some music and I'll let you guys see how it turns out.
perfect, perfect, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We interrupt this program to bring you a
Hold up, I can fuck with her, she ain't perfect. 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 Perfect, 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 perfect. I can fuck with her, she ain't perfect. I can fuck with her, she ain't perfect. Yeah, I can fuck with her, she ain't perfect. Ay, I can fuck with her, she ain't perfect. I think it's a gift and a curse. It's the time that I put these birds to work, yeah. I really think I made these lames nervous. I think I'm a guy, she came for service. I am in it for a bigger purpose. I guess I'm a sinner, yeah, I'm worthless. The niggas are beginners, my girl perfect. And lately I've been driving y'all crazy. But I'm really trying to drive y'all to pay me. I've been running miles, never lazy. Marathon money on the daily. I'm running laps by you niggas cause you basic. When I see y'all shine, congratulations. When you see me in my prime, I know you hate it. I pull up with the back swag perfect.
Final round. Fight.
Okay, so you guys can see that I went and I grabbed my cake out of the fridge, and I've already went around the cake with rosettes. And the way that I did this was I used the turntable, and since I'm left-handed, you have to go from right to left or it's going to be harder or smear. And then I have the bag, and it's filled with half white buttercream and half pink dyed buttercream. So I go around the top, which I'm going to show you guys after I'm done doing, but I'm going to go from right to left. If you see the motion of my hands for my left-handed people, it just makes it way easier, and you have a cleaner rosette that way. Whenever you're working on a cake, you always want to go from right to left if you're left-handed. If you're right-handed, then you want to go from left to right. So this is the top, and this is what the rosettes look like. If you have gaps, it's okay. You can just fill it in and just go in the motion of the cake. So this is what the top looks like. So basically, I'm going to keep going from the top of the cake, and when I go from the top of the cake and keep filling it, I'm going to go and grab my container, and then I'm going to take a plastic bag, and I'm going to make sure that I fill it with the buttercream. And I'm going to use pink buttercream, and I'm going to put white buttercream as well, because I want to get the effect of an ombre, and that's how you get the ombre effect. You put half pink on one side, and then, or whatever color you want to use, and then white on the other side, and that's how you get the ombre effect on the cake. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I'm mixing it together to get the desired pink that I want, and then I want it to match the sides of the cake because I want the top to kind of give that pop effect. So I'm adding a little bit more pink. You always want to use gel food coloring because the taste is way better as opposed to if you were supposed to use just a dye, because the dye has that aftertaste, and you don't want that in your cake. We want our cakes to be delicious. So we use gel. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but as I shown before, you guys can get it from Walmart very cheap, or you can get it from Amazon depending on where you get it from. So you put it on each side, and then you're going to do the top of the cake. So once I filled each side of the bag and I put it with the white buttercream and the pink buttercream, now I'm going to go, and what you want to do, and make sure you do this because my bag popped so many times. Don't overfill your bag because it will pop on you and you'll have to put the tip back in again. And it was very difficult doing this cake because it popped so many times. It was frustrating, but I got through it, guys, so it's all good. And another fun tip, which would be, is once you're piping out the color, you want to pipe it so you get the desired color that you want, because at first it might be all pink or it might be all white, and you kind of want it to be an even coat of both colors so you get that nice pretty ombre effect, which you guys will see once I complete the finished look of this cake. Remember, keep in mind that you're going from right to left if you're left-handed and left to right if you're right-handed.
Feel all alone, having reckless thoughts, young and trying to make it to the top. Never been a one to stop, back on my grind. Daddy, little princess, only here to count checks. Nah, should've said grown queen, baby face, but my body looking like I'm 23. Niggas mad cause they ain't never tapped, bitch. The same one get tapped with a gat. Keep it concealed, just like my feelings. Fuck boy gonna hear me try to play it young.
So guys, I'm so satisfied how my cake turned out. It is so freaking beautiful. Look at all these rosettes that I did. It is gorgeous. I'm excited so you guys can see what I did. I can't wait for you guys to show me what you guys can do with your rosette cakes. And I'm going to fill in the top of the gaps that I have. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product of what it should look like. It is so beautiful. And I'm so in love with it. I can't wait to see my client's reaction once she gets the cake. And it'll be on my Instagram, so guys, look out for that. Remember, my Instagram is @Kayla's Cooking, and you guys can see all my delicious desserts and sweets on there, all the cakes that I make, and all the delicious desserts that I make. So I hope you guys like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. If not, you guys can go follow me on the gram. Make sure that you share this with your mom, your dad, your cousin, your sister, your uncle, your brother, anybody, guys. Anybody that loves cakes, sweets, and desserts. Just show them what it is, what's poppin', what's good, what it is, because this is where it's at, and it's all about cakes because it's your favorite baker, and we out. I just wanted to take the time to thank all the cool kids that subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching this whole video. If you stuck it all the way through to the end, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all you guys. This wouldn't be possible without your support, so thank you guys again. And this is the final product of the cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, give it a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it. Thanks and bye.
Hey, young fresh out, man. This that summer jam, man. Y'all slide this shit till school start back. Look, I'm about to slide on your ass. I ain't looking at you, got my eyes on the cash. Baby daddy with me, he don't see class. Look, I could've seen dead flies on your ass.